Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new presentation on data management in STATA. Today, I'm going to discuss about how to read data from MS Excel, then how to define variable label and how to define value label for categorical variable. Let's go STATA software. This is the example questionnaire, only some selected question, and this is the data set. Today, I will read that data set in STATA, and we will define the variable label and value label. First, we have to open STATA software. STATA, then go to File, Import, Excel. Then click Browse. And this is the data set. Data A2 as data. Since there are many sheets, and we have to select the data sheet. Okay. Now the first row will be declared as variable. That will be first row as variable name. Okay. Now press OK. Okay. This is Q1, Q5, Q6, Q7. Now I have to define variable label. That means label variable Q1. Q1 means study ID. Okay. Then Q1 defined as a study ID as defined as variable label. Similarly, we can define the all variable, and this is the do file. This is the syntax file. All type of syntax will be written in this sheet. For example, this is the data read syntax, and we have to type clear, then variable label, variable label. Similarly, we can define all variable label. I have defined all variable label. Now just select and run. This button as executive selection button. Okay. There is no 10. Again, keep run. Okay. Then all variable defined as variable label. For example, Q1 means study ID, Q5 means cluster, Q8 husband name, Q7 respondent name, etc. Now we have to define the value label for category. For example, cluster 1 means cluster 1, 2 means cluster 2, 3 means cluster 3, 1 means yes, 1 means only water, 2 means smart, etc. How to define? For example, Q5 label define or the Q5 1 means cluster 1, 2 means cluster 2, 3 means cluster 3, and replace. Then label value Q5 and Q5 twice. Then okay, this is set up. Cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, cluster 4, and this is the syntax. Similarly, we can define all category variables. In our data set, Q1, Q19, Q26, Q37 are categorical variable. Now select and give run. Okay. Then the value label was defined. Okay. Q19 1 mean yes, 0 mean no, 0 mean no, 1 mean yes. Soap and water 4, only water 1. Okay, all category variable was labeled. That means value label and variable label were defined. And these are the syntax. Okay, thank you all.